All right, let's dive right in. Hello, everyone, and welcome to our explainer. I'm sitting here today as your trusted advisor guide, and I'm joined by...
A very busy pensioned employee. Honestly, it's so great to be here.
Today, we're doing a quick, highly focused check-in, specifically designed for teachers, state and federal employees, and all you hardworking pensioned professionals out there. We're delivering this personalized retirement check-in on behalf of Jeremy James Stewart, your pension and retirement reviews specialist.
Right. And if you're tuning into this explainer, there's a really good chance that you actually requested one of those pension and retirement reviews recently. And listen, trust me, I completely get it. I have absolutely been there myself.
We know exactly how this plays out. You make this fantastic, proactive decision to finally get your financial house in order. You request the review, and then, well, life happens. Calendars get double booked, the school year gets absolutely chaotic, and meetings just inevitably slip through the cracks. My plate is literally always overflowing, and those important personal tasks, they're usually the first things to get pushed to the back burner.
Exactly. And listen, there is zero judgment here. None. Life happens to literally all of us. So we're simply checking in today to see where you currently stand. The only real question we have for you right now is just, is that still something you'd like some help with?
To make this ridiculously easy for you, Jeremy wants to remove all the friction and put you completely in the driver's seat. So we've got two distinct, super low-stress paths forward for you.
Oh, I absolutely love this setup. You can either choose to watch a quick 6-minute preview video to just kind of learn how the whole process works on your own time, or you can jump straight into a 10 to 15-minute call or Zoom session to get specific answers. It puts the control totally in your hands, totally based on whatever your crazy schedule allows right now.
Now, as someone who is always on the go, I am a massive fan of that first option. Taking just 6 short minutes to elevate your financial literacy on your own time, completely without the pressure of a live meeting, that is a fantastic, zero-stress way to kick things off. It's this great overview tailored specifically for the unique situations of teachers and public employees. It gives you the core info you need before you even have to talk to a real person.
For sure, it is literally the perfect route if you just want to dip your toes in the water before committing to a live chat.
But hey, what if you're the kind of person who just wants to cut to the chase and get right down to business? Well, that's where the quick 10 to 15-minute call or Zoom session comes into play. You can go over your specific situation and get immediate, highly personalized answers. And honestly, jumping on a Zoom screen share, it's incredibly valuable because you can actually look at the numbers together right there on the screen. It takes all the guesswork out of the equation.
Oh, 100%. Being able to literally see the math right in front of you on a shared screen, it's a total game changer when you're trying to wrap your head around all those complicated retirement figures.
So let's unpack the mystery of this review process because honestly, it is beautifully straightforward. Step 1, we walk through your specific pension, your Social Security expectations, and your current savings. We actually integrate what we call the 4 income pillars to calculate your exact future income. Then, from there, we identify any potential income gaps or hidden risks in your plan.
So by zooming in on those 4 income pillars specifically, it really paints this comprehensive picture of exactly where you stand, right? It makes spotting those tricky income gaps so much easier to grasp.
You hit the nail on the head. It basically takes a confusing pile of statements and turns it into a crystal clear roadmap.
And look, the ultimate goal of finding those gaps is all about maximizing your future. We are hunting for concrete, actionable ways to increase your overall income, improve your tax efficiency so you actually keep way more of your hard-earned money, and build safe, liquid income streams.
Knowing that you're building rock-solid streams of income that you literally cannot outlive, that is true retirement security right there. Having that peace of mind heading into retirement is priceless. You just want to know that the money is absolutely going to be there no matter how long you live or what the crazy markets decide to do.
All right, so here is exactly how you can take action right now. Well, you've got the main contact info available. The absolute easiest, frictionless way to get started is to just reply directly to the message you received.
It really is that simple. Just reply with the word Zoom and a thumbs up emoji, so Zoom thumbs up, if you want to jump on that live Zoom screen share. Or if you'd prefer just a quick phone call instead, literally just send a single thumbs up emoji, thumbs up. Either way, you are setting the wheels in motion.
You know, Jeremy always says, either way, just let me know. It's such a warm, easy sign-off. There is absolutely no lingering pressure here. If you want the video, the Zoom, or hey, even if you just want to hold off because the timing still isn't quite right, just keeping that line of communication open is all that's asked.
Exactly. Look, life is always going to be incredibly busy. But here's a question to leave you with. What is it really going to cost you if you wait another entire year to find those hidden income gaps? Please don't leave your retirement to chance. Send that thumbs up emoji today and lock in your financial peace of mind. Thanks so much for hanging out with us for this explainer, and we'll catch you next time.